Open your heart to a world of opportunity. The Catholic University of Murcia Cartagena campus. Nestled in the heart of Cartagena, Spain, the Catholic University of Murcia offers a transformative dental education experience unlike any other. Immerse yourself in a vibrant student community while gaining the skills and knowledge to become a successful dentist. Their innovative curriculum blends theoretical knowledge with early, hands-on practical training in their state-of-the-art dental clinic, one of the largest in Spain. At UCAM, they focus on your complete development. Their dedicated faculty provides individualized attention in small classrooms, ensuring your questions are answered and you receive the support you need to thrive. Beyond academics, UCAM fosters a supportive and enriching campus environment. Choose from on-campus housing options or explore the charming city of Cartagena, known for its stunning Mediterranean coast, rich history, and lively culture. UCAM is a leader in research, particularly in health and nutrition. They are committed to advancing dental knowledge and making a positive impact on the world. Upon graduation, you'll receive an internationally recognized degree, opening doors to rewarding careers in a variety of settings. At UCAM, they believe in call to freedom. Freedom to pursue your passion, freedom to make a difference, freedom to achieve your dreams. Contact Medlink students today to learn more about UCAM's world-class dentistry program and begin your journey to becoming a successful dentist.